event is going very well. I like the vibe, I like the energy, a lot of interesting conversations. So yeah, I like it.
Activate World helped me strengthen relationships with my clients by providing an amazing platform where I could communicate with my clients, have very thoughtful meetings, and also party together.
I noticed here at the Affiliate World in Budapest an increase in a conversation regarding crypto, finance, dating as well, but also the mainstream ones that we're used to.
A lot of gambling brands are currently expanding their geos and also looking for new exciting ad formats.
I want to say thank you to my team and Affiliate World for this great experience at Budapest, and we're looking forward to meeting everyone in Bangkok.